All right, hello and welcome to episode 3 of the Hasdullah's meme reviews. My name is Amog और मेरे साथ आज है मेरे दो जिगरी दोस्त. We have Kal Katgara in a lovely blue t-shirt looking like he has just woken up, which is absolutely true क्योंकि अभी अभी जब भी हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे अभी दोपहर के 12 बजे हैं and Kal is a lazy fuck. Kal, welcome to the show.
Absolutely true. On every little syllable that you just said was dipped in the honey of truth.
Absolutely. There's no other way that I do these things. I always dip everything of mine into the honey of truth.
That's
Joining
what
us
we do.
also is Manish त्यागी जो बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहे हैं ऐसे मरून कलर का शर्ट या कुर्ता जो भी है पहन के. मनीष, you have never looked more handsome.
मैं नहा के आया.
Shadi.com profile picture.
Yeah.
नहीं नहीं, आई थिंक इट टेकिंग अ बाथ मेक्स ऑल द डिफरेंस.
I
That's
wouldn't
what
know.
was missing. इसीलिए एपिसोड 1 और एपिसोड 2 पे इतने कम व्यूज है क्योंकि तू नहाया नहीं था. लोग जो यूट्यूब पे ये वीडियोस देख रहे थे उनको बास आ रही थी थ्रू देयर कैमरास, थ्रू देयर लैपटॉप एंड फोन स्क्रीन. तेरी बदबू आ रही
हाँ,
थी.
तो
और
मतलब तो यही बोल रहे हैं ना कि
ये
अभी अपने व्यूज बहुत बढ़ने वाले हैं. लेट्स सी.
लेट्स सी, ये तो
लेट्स
प्रोसेस ऑफ
टेस्ट आउट दिस.
एलिमिनेशन से ही पता चलेगा कि क्या है रीजन.
तो ऑल द सब्सक्राइबर्स, ऑल आवर हार्डकोर फैंस जो अभी हम लोगों को देख रहे हैं, अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं नहाता रहूं इस शो पे आने से पहले, देन प्लीज प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो.
तो लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ विद टुडेज मीम्स. बहुत ही
On a
अच्छा सिलेक्शन
clean
है.
note.
बहुत ही अच्छा सिलेक्शन लाए हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑफ विद समथिंग दैट आई थिंक वी आर ऑल वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टेड बाय, व्हिच इज द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इंडियन सोप operas.
ओ या.
लेट्स टेक अ लुक.
Ding da ding 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 da na 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 ding 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 dum da na 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 ding da ding da dum da na 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 ding da ding da ding da na 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 ding da ding da ding da na 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 ding da ding da.
You know what this signifies, right? I don't know about you all, but like I think the first time I had sex, the bell was पहले हाथ पे आया, फिर पैर पे आया, फिर कंधे पे आया.
I feel like as writers, okay, for all the viewers, हम भी तीनों writers ही है. जो ऐसे कहानियां नहीं लिखते. In our heads we feel like we write better stuff, but I feel कि हमें भी ऐसे ही कुछ लिखना चाहिए क्योंकि ये क्रिएटिविटी है बॉस. ये
ये
creativity है.
ये लिखना इतना आसान नहीं है ब्रो. मतलब देखो, पूरा टाइम तूने राइटिंग सीखते हुए समझा है कि लॉजिक हैज टू बी फॉलोड, एंड
Yeah.
थ्रू लॉजिक देखो कुछ ऐसी चीजें करनी है जो विच लुक्स मैजिकल एंड ऑल दैट, बट
Yeah.
यू कैन नॉट ब्रेक दैट बाउंड्री ऑफ लॉजिक लाइक सो फ्रिवलसली.
Yeah.
एंड दैट वेरी लाइक हार्ड इनग्रेन्ड इन मोस्ट ऑफ द राइटर्स हेड. बट टू डू दिस, ये
Yeah.
सीन का प्रेमिस ही है कि फिजिक्स को हम कैसे चैलेंज कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
एंड देर इज लाइक वन मोर सिमिलर वीडियो, बहुत ज्यादा उसका मीम्स बने थे, जिसके अंदर ऐसा एक हीरोइन को धक्का लगता है और वो धक्का लग के पर्दे से टकराती है, पर्दे पे ऐसा खुद ही घूम घूम के फांसी लटक जाती है, फिर वो ऐसा वहां पे झूल रही है.
Oh.
वन मोर.
No, but what gets me is that it's not one individual, now because one guy thought of it. Then he went and he did a narration.
Yeah.
In that narration, there was a director, producer, actors, and they all agreed, "Hey, हाँ."
उस नरेशन में सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पता है कौन है? चाहे एक्टर हो, डायरेक्टर हो, कोई उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आपको म्यूजिक वाले सामने चाहिए. तो जब नरेट कर रहे हैं ना वो, और फिर उसके हाथ से वो घंटा गिरता है और
That's
it's
true.
a music, it's a background score that
It
makes
is.
the scene.
Absolutely. I don't think ये नरेशन किसी भी रूम में किसी भी एक्टर के लिए, किसी भी डायरेक्टर के लिए, किसी भी प्रोड्यूसर के लिए नहीं चलेगा जब तक there is a live orchestra next to the writer doing all of
Bro,
that.
that's a sketch, man. Just imagine one. You know how there's that KNPL ka Angry Obama.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine if we had like one guy who was your background music singer.
Yeah.
And
I'm sure ये हुआ होगा ये वाला sketch.
I'm sure. Yeah, this is okay. And I know हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे cringe content का मजाक उड़ाते हैं and all of that, but credit where credit is due. ठीक है. Indian soap operas have always been ridiculous like this, but as social media has grown more in popularity, as reels like these are really really important. I think हमारी television industry ने भी रियलाइज किया है कि यार वो रील्स के लिए भी 1 मिनट का कंटेंट अपने को निकालने का है, 20 मिनट के एपिसोड में वो रील का एक कंटेंट तो निकालने का है. दैट इज हाउ वी विल गेट वायरलिटी एंड दैट इज हाउ वी विल गेट पॉपुलर. तो एपिसोड में चाहे जो भी हो रहा हो, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली engineered फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट जो हम जैसे चोमू लोग शेयर करेंगे. It's a
No.
win, dude. It's a win.
I'm on a WhatsApp group. I can't take a name, but I'm on a WhatsApp group with a TV actress. And someone made the mistake of sharing something, not realizing it's her serial.
Okay.
And she did not see the humor in it. And one full like wall of text saying, you are not the audience. We are not catering to you. You do not know what rural India is like, blah, 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 blah. And that guy, he was like, she's not in the scene. So he didn't realize that this is her serial
Yeah.
that he had shared. It got very awkward for the rest of us. But
but
they
they
take
should-
their shit seriously.
But
This
they
is
should
not
be proud. But they should
No.
be proud, no, Carl?
But
no, they
bro,
get hurt, yeah. They get hurt. In
What
that,
I-
I'm telling you, this actor and the actress and the director, that after pack up, have patted each other on the back. कि आज तो सब कमाल कर दिया हम तीनों ने साथ में मिलके.
yeah,
Oh,
it's not like
Oscar.
yeah, it's not like it's planned कि we need that viral होने वाला meme, उसके लिए हमको थोड़ा ridiculous type का content चाहिए. It's not like that. It is like this is what we make, this is what we believe in, and this is what gets the audience going. And you know, मेरा एक friend है, उसने मेरे को बोला था कि TV audience के लिए whenever we are writing, we are told कि जो audience है तुम्हारे दिमाग में, think of all the domestic help, and think that you are writing for them.
Yeah.
Don't write if you think like this is not something that they are going to enjoy.
Yeah. No, fair. I just going
Yeah,
back.
don't be positive. Don't have hope, Amog.
Yeah.
Don't give them a this
Sir,
thing.
वो तो कब का मर चुका है, सर.
Yeah.
I am using the word
इंडस्ट्री
domestic
में वो
help,
तो कब का मर चुका है.
and I am using the word domestic help when my friend told me, and when his producer
Don't make it worse. Manish, don't make it worse. Already I was not a classist thing to say on this show, but don't make it worse. It's okay, we get it.
yeah, it
Welcome to India.
sanitized.
अरे बट जस्ट गोइंग बैक टू दिस सीन, ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. बेसिकली द आइडिया इज कि इन दोनों की शादी होने वाली है और ड्यू टू डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन, और मैं डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि पीछे भगवान की मूर्ति है. ड्यू टू डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन वो मंगलसूत्र किसी दूसरे लड़की के.
That's not a Mangalsutra, that's a gold medal. She's the rightful winner. She's not the rightful bride. And it's a gold medal. Watch it again. It's not a Mangalsutra, I kid you not. The wrong girl was going to get the gold medal. The right girl got the gold medal. It's not a Mangalsutra.
ये इंडियन सीरियल्स की विनेश फोगाट है.
I'm not a sports person. I didn't get that reference.
अरे
स्पोर्ट्स नहीं देखता क्या? तू न्यूज नहीं पढ़ता क्या? That Indian wrestler Olympics.
Okay. That lady. Yeah.
Unfortunately disqualified because she was 100 grams overweight. पेपर
yeah.
पढ़ा करो यार. Carl.
Yeah. I'm sorry. The name didn't come back to me instantly. Can we watch it one more time?
That's because her character was not in Dangal. It was the other sisters who were in Dangal. That's why you don't.
I'm going to ask a very moronic question. Is
What's
Dangal
Dangal?
based on some real people? No, na. It's just a fiction story about two female wrestlers. Now, I really don't know. My knowledge of sports is zero.
it is inspired by like real people.
I don't know. Like that Farhan Akhtar, Milka Singh movie and all could be that. I don't know.
It is that is also inspired by a real person.
Milka Singh is
Dangal is.
Yes.
Okay. Fair enough question. Yeah, if I don't watch sports and I haven't seen Dangal, then
You are anti-national. That is what it is, Akal. You are anti-national.
ask me anything about Pakistani cinema and I'll tell you like this.
On that note, let's move on. All right, let's just move on to the next
Before we go on, please, sorry. I just want to see, was it a gold medal or a Mangalsutra? Once play back.
one. With music. There was a point where the gold medal doesn't fully go. So somebody could have come and said, actually, it's not, the शादी is not done yet. Technicality पे हम ये revoke कर सकते हैं. But she
But वो
also very
लड़की ने
quickly was
ऐसा
like, what? ये कौन करता है? If something falls on you, you don't wear it more to see what it is. You take it off to see what it is. Yeah.
जिसने भी ये बनाया फनी रील्स 889, तुमको सलाम, सही किया.
Yeah.
Well done, well done.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
Yes, please.
भैया ये मेरा कुत्ता घूम गया था, कहीं देखे हैं क्या? Who is a goo boy? दिमाग चल गया है क्या? Who is a goo boy? दिमाग चल गया है क्या? Who is a goo boy? Who is a goo boy? Oh. मार के चोदो.
Play it again.
भैया ये मेरा कुत्ता घूम गया था, कहीं देखे हैं क्या? Who is a goo boy? दिमाग चल गया है क्या? Who is a goo boy? दिमाग चल गया है क्या? Who is a goo boy? Who is a goo boy? Oh. मार के चोदो.
who's a goo boy?
What an annoying thing to do to someone, man. Jesus. And the guy who's doing it now, he's not even like some tough guy who, like, is not afraid of getting bashed up. He's some Sukru himself.
But that's the thing. उसने बराबर टारगेट ऑडियंस को पकड़ा है, क्योंकि ये भी उसको नहीं पिकने वाला. ये कौन है? ये भी साड़ी है.
Obviously, yeah.
Oh.
There's a very courageous the audacity.
Also, I just want to say कि अगर तुम्हें prank करना है, there is a point where the dog filters on him also. He's not thought this through entirely.
It's a very guerrilla, low production shoot kind of a thing, zero budget.
Yes, absolutely.
Usually they are the best always. Chalo, moving on.
बहुत मजेदार, बहुत मजेदार. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, ये तो वीडियो नहीं है, ये वीडियो नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एक पिक्चर मीम है. पर ये पेशेंट का जो रिएक्शन फोटो दिया है वो काफी करेक्ट है, क्योंकि जस्ट सी डॉक्टर वरुण श्रीवास्तव क्वालिफिकेशन
MA political science.
But why would he put it there? So that he can't get sued.
इसे कहते हैं फैमिली कोटा. डॉक्टर दिनेश श्रीवास्तव ने काम किया. डॉक्टर वरुण श्रीवास्तव दिनेश श्रीवास्तव का भाई या बेटा है, जो एब्सोल्युटली पॉइंटलेस है. बट ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर दिनेश श्रीवास्तव ये नहीं चाहते कि डॉक्टर वरुण श्रीवास्तव गो अराउंड पार्टिंग एंड ड्रिंकिंग एंड वेस्टिंग हिज लाइफ. तो इंटर्न का जॉब दे दिया और डॉक्टर भी बना दिया.
And can I give you another level to this meme that perhaps hasn't caught your eye as yet?
Yeah.
The guy in the actor in the photographs,
Yeah.
is also Srivastava. That's
What do
Atul
you say?
Srivastava. Yeah.
Shit, this is like the Srivastava cinematic universe.
It's the meta Srivastavas.
Yeah.
Manish,
Guy
can you
came for like 5 seconds in Munna Bhai MBBS, and everybody, like, his career took off from 5 seconds in Munna Bhai MBBS. This scene.
But Manish, can you read what is written in the prescription?
Paracetamol.
Paracetamol. Okay, cool.
I was not expecting something so benign and harmless.
Yeah.
I was hoping for, like,
I feel ये पैरासिटामोल का प्रिस्क्रिप्शन तो वरुण श्रीवास्तव ने ही लिखा
वरुण
है.
श्रीवास्तव ने दिया है, पक्की बात है वो. हाँ, अरे सर मेरे को कैंसर हुआ है, अरे पैरासिटामॉल.
दिनेश श्रीवास्तव बोला रहेगा मैंने एमबीबीएस किया है, इसको बुखार हो गया है. वरुण तू देख ले यार.
Vicks लगाओ.
ये है श्रीवास्तव क्लिनिक है ग्राम एंड पोस्ट जाहिदपुर में. तो अगर कोई जाहिदपुर में रहता है तो प्लीज
इधर मत जाना.
थिंक ट्वाइस बिफोर गोइंग. हम ऐसे नहीं बोलने वाले कि श्रीवास्तव क्लिनिक मत जाना, क्योंकि श्रीवास्तव क्लिनिक हमारे ऊपर केस लगा देंगे फॉर डेफेमेशन और समथिंग. बट आई एम सेइंग इफ यू वांट टू गो, बट जस्ट कीप द फुल पिक्चर.
Bro, I don't think श्रीवास्तव क्लिनिक वाले कोर्ट में जाना चाहेंगे with this kind of receipt.
अरे जाएंगे ना. डॉक्टर दिनेश और डॉक्टर वरुण का तीसरा भाई होगा डॉक्टर रमेश, तो लॉयर है.
Lawyer Ramesh.
वो भी डॉक्टर है पर वो लॉ है.
ब्रो इसने एमए लिखा है एटलीस्ट कम से कम पीएचडी कर लेता, देन डॉक्टर कुड हैव बीन जस्टिफाइड.
Can I say one thing? Yes, correct. That is true. PhD कर लेता तो doctor would have been justified. But Dr. Varun Srivastav, MA in political science, is more qualified than I am. मेरे पास सिर्फ bachelor's degree है.
Today's episode is all about silly questions asked by Carl. Is a shrink allowed to put doctor before his name?
Yes.
So it's a science. It's a
Yes.
medically this thing. The scientific community agrees with it.
Yes.
Alright.
Any other questions you
It
have?
could be a shrink. So it could be a shrink. Doctor, I'm having suicidal thoughts. Paracetamol.
Only one, not the whole strip. Too dark? Too dark? Okay, cool. Let's
No, no,
go
no.
on.
Hey Barry, what's up, bro? Just wanted to let you know I'm waiting for you outside in the back. See you in a bit, man.
Hello, brother. You block 2 backside, you coming, cannot going inside. Security say quarantine. Okay, you understand? You come backside.
That was homoerotic in multiple layers. But
You're only fixating on the you come back side, no?
even what this guy says, with the American accent correctly, just play his first, just play his thing and pause.
Hey Barry, what's up, bro? Just wanted to let you know I'm waiting for you outside in the back. See you in a bit, man.
I'm waiting for you outside in the back. There only my Parsi brain went into Freddie Mercury lyrics.
हाँ, correct. पर ये बहुत funny था. ये like
Hello, brother. You block 2 backside, you coming, cannot going inside. Security say quarantine. Okay, you understand? You come backside.
But like, can you decipher what that guy is actually trying to say? Like,
yeah.
if I'm just trying to put myself in that person's place and I need to follow this instruction and this is my challenge, this is my code to crack. So I'm just trying to figure out what exactly is he trying to say.
मनीष, तू गोरा नहीं है. तू समझ गया. You will understand this. What he is trying to say is, don't go inside. Security will not let you in. You need to quarantine. Meet me at the back. It's as simple.
No.
Yes.
It's the Uber driver saying, I'm not being allowed into your colony or your society. So I'm waiting for you at the piche wala gate.
Yeah, that could be true.
You
That could
know,
be true.
it's not that easy.
Correct.
Just
correct.
because you are brown, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तू कुछ भी कोड क्रैक कर लेगा.
ये तो हमारा brown arrogance है.
But let's just double check.
One second. Before you press play, pause. Before you press play, does the Uber driver or whoever that guy on the phone is, friend, whatever, does he sound Pakistani to you and not Indian? Now listen with that filter on top also. कि ये Indian है कि Pakistani? Because there's a certain Pakistani to his English.
Possible.
Wait.
Hello, brother. You block 2 backside, you coming, cannot going inside. Security say quarantine. Okay, you understand? You come backside.
Yeah.
There is a certain Pakistani quality to it for sure.
No, and it's an Ola driver, Uber driver, whatever.
It is an Uber driver. Yes.
That
yes.
theory makes more sense. I'll go with that.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we can all agree that it is an Uber driver telling the poor white man to come to the
I
backside.
speak better taxi than both of you.
Yes. All right. On to the next one.
Can't believe we're so racist towards ourselves. From the back of somebody's neck, he could be Vietnamese, he could be Sri Lankan, he could be bloody Filipino. I
don't think Sri Lanka has a space program.
He could be Thai. Play again.
I don't think Thai people are this dark. I'm just stating facts. I'm not being racist. I'm just stating.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Bangladesh.
I have not. I've never seen this dark a Thai person.
Okay, Bangladesh.
Vietnam.
Anyways,
Hey, कुछ भी India not for beginners bro. चल गए भग ना कान के नीचे बजा के देखा.
तुम लोग ने रॉकेट बॉयज नहीं देखी है क्या?
What?
रॉकेट बॉयज में भी उन्होंने बताया हाउ what is his name Sarabhai and Kalam launched one of their first rockets on a beach in I think was it Chennai or some other town in Tamil Nadu. They launched a rocket, a proper functioning space going rocket from a beach जो वो हाथ गाड़ी पे लेके आए बीच पे.
I've seen that image of them carrying it. I've seen that
Yeah.
image. I've seen rocket boys,
but
but I've seen that
That's not
used-
Kalam.
yeah, Kalam was there in it.
no?
Are you sure? I think it was that Parsi Vikram Sarabhai and that Parsi guy, yaar.
Homi Baba,
Father
Homi
of the-
Baba, Homi Ba- in the show, Homi Baba does come to help.
Yeah.
But it is not his project. It is Sarabhai's project, and Kalam was helping Sarabhai in that project. Kalam was very young at that point.
Okay.
But because वो टीवी शो है और होमी बाबा का कैरेक्टर, जिम साहब का कैरेक्टर तेरा लीड कैरेक्टर है, तो उसको सीन में डालना इम्पोर्टेंट था. So they kind of played around with the logistics of it and made it out to be कि होमी बाबा came there to witness it and helped them. But that didn't actually happen. So it was a very small creative liberty that they took, but this has actually happened. So this is genius stuff, yaar. Look at the scaffolding and all.
Did you know that all ISRO rockets का जो metal है ना, is made by Godrej?
Yeah.
The same guys who make our cupboards and our locks
Yeah.
are the guys who make ISRO's rockets, man. I thought that was like, I don't know why Godrej doesn't advertise that more. We make rockets.
They should, but yeah, it's fantastic. Although I don't know if this is actually a rocket that's going to space या दिवाली में कोई तो बच्चे ऐसे next level का engineering कर रहे हैं सिर्फ एक फटाका उड़ाने के लिए, क्योंकि वो भी possible है.
It is somewhere between the middle.
It is. Okay, chalo, let's move on to the next one.
Past is waste paper, present is newspaper, future is question paper. So read and write carefully, otherwise your life will be a tissue paper.
That smile at the end,
I feel
that
so
hairstyle in the beginning and the smile at the end, and in between the depth, the prose, the poetry, and then the hashtag tissue paper, newspaper, read, write, motivation, education, wisdom.
This is wisdom.
उसने सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम उसको ये पास्ट में कि पास्ट के लिए कौन सा पेपर यूज करूं मैं.
Yeah.
That guy finally gave up के अभी मैं नहीं कोई भी पेपर सेंस नहीं बना रहा है. तो अभी कुछ भी जैसे हम लोगों का डेडलाइन आ गई है ना, अभी कुछ भी निकालना है, पास्ट इज अ वेस्ट पेपर.
But I'm very inspired. मैं बहुत inspired हूँ क्योंकि the music, the words, his face all come together so beautifully.
Meet in Pramenchanba. Who are you?
Bro is Batman.
Who are you?
Video quality is toilet paper. अरे प्रदीप, alt ego, please don't be a hater. क्यों इतना hate कर रहे हो?
Yeah, but our man Afzal really needs to like now let go. Yeah, ho gaya. What God has decided, you don't have hair. Stop clinging on to it. Go down, scroll down. Yeah, click on that one. Fortune favors the bold. This guy is the bald. Look
Those
at that
finally-
hairstyle, man.
Fortune
Look at-
favors the bald होना चाहिए.
Yeah,
चल एक और इसका देख लेते हैं.
it's a crime against
Positions are
humanity.
temporary, ranks and titles are limited, but the way you treat people will always be remembered.
So I need to tell my wife. Say that again.
Positions are temporary,
Positions are temporary.
उतना ही
Last
बोलना
1 minute, be grateful.
है.
One tree can make millions of matchsticks, but one matchstick can burn millions of trees. So don't let one negative thing burn millions of positive things in your life. Be good. Have good.
I love that smile at the end of it.
I
Yeah.
love the smile at the end of
Yeah,
it.
I'm falling in love over here. If it wasn't for the fuck all hairstyle, I'd really like hit him up.
What a deep voice also. I'm sure it's not his voice. It's some
It is.
South Indian actor's
It is.
voice. I feel like it's some South Indian actor's voice.
Play again. No, how can you get so
One
many
tree can
quotes?
make millions of matchsticks, but one matchstick can burn millions of trees. So don't let one negative thing burn millions of positive things in your life. Be good. Have good.
Chalo.
Chalo.
Last one for the day.
Last one for the day. No comment.
No comment.
अब कुछ बोलेंगे तो विवाद हो जाएगा वाला vibe है ये.
I'm going to stop this right now.
But when a black person makes fun of black people, actually it's okay.
Okay. I
It's
think,
like the
yeah.
N word. Only
It's like you can talk about Key and Peele. It's allowed.
Yeah. Honestly, that's not problem with half the Indian stand-up comics. If he's Bengali, he's only bashing Bengalis. If he's fat, he's only bashing fat people. You know, that gets tiresome, but this meme was good quality. Nice one to end on. It suddenly left us speechless. Everyone shack breaks.
But yes, that is it for this episode 3 of the Hasbullah's meme reviews. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you Manish and thank you Carl for joining us on this wonderful morning where we just wasted a lot of time watching time pass videos on the internet. What a job we have, guys.
Thank you God. Thank you God. Thank you God.
Seriously.
Oh. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.